going to do this makeup look for you guys. This is my Valentine's Day get ready with me with blondes, glam eyes makeup look with red lips. So without further ado, let's get started. I have put on my cat ears headband and I have just taped the side of my eyes. And I'm going to start off by applying the Wet n Wild concealer onto my eyelids. Then I'm going to set the concealer by applying the Inglot translucent powder. Then from this generic glitter shadow palette, I'm going to use this brown color as a transition shade for the eye. Then I'm going to take this brownish shade and apply it all over my eyelid. For the outer corner of my eye, I'm going to use this black glitter shade and provide the eyeshadow some definition. And this is how the eyeshadow looks after I've removed the tape. Next, I'm going to prime my entire face with the Inglot face primer. Today I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the color 220. This might look a little white in the beginning, but trust me, this oxidizes a little bit. For concealer, I'm using the same Wet n Wild concealer. To set my face, I'm going to use the Inglot translucent powder. For contouring, I'm using the Maybelline Master Contour Kit. For blush, today I'm using the Maybelline blush in the shade Fresh Coral. Then I'm going to smoke out my lower lash line with the glitter colors that I've used on my eyelid, the black and the brown one. Then I'm going to apply the Maybelline Super Colossal Kajal on my lower waterline. For eyeliner, I'm using the Maybelline Gigi Hadid eyeliner. I'm in love with this liner. This is super good. Then I'm going to apply some falsies. For mascara, I'm using the Barbie Magnum Lashes from Maybelline. Then I'm going to highlight my face with the MAC Extra Dimension Skin Finish in the shade Oh Darling. For lips today, I'm using the Maybelline Color Show number 202 Red My Lips. To set my makeup, I'm using the LA Girl Pro Setting Spray. And now I'm going to fix my hair, change my clothes and be right back. And that's it for the video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this mini tutorial. If you did, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel down below. Also, don't forget to hit that bell icon so that you guys get notified of all my videos as soon as they are uploaded. All my social media links will be down in the description bar, so go follow me on Twitter and Instagram. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and until the next time, live long and prosper, my fellow earthlings.